Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. First I actually just want to say what an incredible job you all did with Major Project 1. You put in a ton of work on that project, and I'm very, very proud of the work that you did. I honestly feel very lucky. I feel like I really won the lottery with you all as a class. You are each engaging in really genuine ways, and you're very dedicated to our course, which I genuinely appreciate. It makes it so fun to teach you and to learn alongside of you. So I just wanted to say that quickly, that I am very impressed with you all, and I'm very excited to see what we do with the rest of this semester. What I really want to do in this weekly overview, as you all know sort of how this works by now, read through our announcements, read through our tasks for the week. What I actually would like to do with this sort of week 4 video is turn your attention to our syllabus, which you can easily access right here on Canvas. As you know, I actually already have it pulled up. You can just open it right there. But I already have it pulled up, so I'm going to open it for us. I have scrolled down. Oh, sorry that this screen's cut off a little bit, but this is just our syllabus. I have pulled up the course calendar, and I wanted to draw your attention to sort of the pace of our course over the next couple of weeks. We are in week 4 of a 6-week semester, and that means that we are rounding the last lap in a lot of ways of this course. So we are going to be, you're going to see in the next couple of weeks that our pace shifts a bit. So for the first couple of weeks, our focus was on Major Project 1, and from here on out, you'll essentially submit a major project every week. With that in mind, I do try to cut back on the number of activities, weekly activities that you're doing, but there is some ground that we have to cover that I hope will feel very helpful in sort of contextualizing a lot of what we're doing. So you can see the full task list, but what I really want to draw your attention to is that on Thursday of this week, you're going to submit your final draft and reflection of your rhetorical analysis essay. And then on Sunday, and then after that is submitted, you're going to turn your attention to our Major Project 3, and so I've got the description of that up for you, and then on Sunday, of this week, you're going to submit the Major Project 3 proposal. That's Sunday, July 19th, and you're going to submit your conference planning guide. Then we move into week 5, and in week 5, our focus is completing Major Project 3. You're going to conference with me again next week. That's week 5. So Monday, July 20th, and Tuesday, July 21st, we will conference together. So please be mindful of that. And then on Thursday of week 5, you're going to submit your final Major Project 3. And so that's going to be due then. And then we're going to start work on Major Project 4, which is actually just your e-portfolio. I know it sounds like an awful lot, but the e-portfolio is something you've already been working on, and so you'll do a little more work for that in week 5. As we turn to week 6 is not a full week. It's essentially our finals week, and so grades are actually due at the end of that week. And so in order to make sure that all of your assignments are uploaded and graded, you're going to submit your MP4 final draft and your course reflection on Thursday, July 30th. And that is actually also the final deadline for all of our coursework, including revisions and late assignments in this course. So I know that may feel a little bit overwhelming, you all. Remember that I wanted to zoom out and give us the big picture because we are rounding the corner and we're starting to see the end of our semester together. But I don't mean for this to be overwhelming. I wanted to give you the big picture, and remember that we're going to keep doing what we've been doing, which is working our way through the weekly overviews that I'm posting in Canvas, which I'll take us back over there. So remember that you're just going to be looking at your weekly overviews and making your way through that way. But I just wanted to draw your attention to that because, like I said, we are rounding out our semester together, and I wanted to make sure we were all on the same page about what the pace of our course is going to look like. So I'm very excited to get to see what you all do with Major Project 2. Major Project 3 is one of my most favorite projects that we do. It is my favorite project that we do in this class, and so I'm really excited about it, and we will start talking about that on Thursday. I did want to draw your attention really quickly that we are going to do the same kind of pattern with our peer review activities. So your peer review for Major Project 2 is due at noon on Thursday, and then that will give you some time to be able to work on your final draft and your reflection of Major Project 2 so that you can have time to apply those notes. And yeah, so I hope that this is pretty straightforward. As always, please reach out if you have questions about anything. I'm excited to work with you this week. And yeah, let's get writing.